Hi, good afternoon. This is Sriram Gopal. This is my big data assignment one. This is a simple demonstration of installation and usage of Cassandra. So I have created a namespace called users. So let's go into that first. Sorry, namespace called demo. Now let's see the data which is available already. So from users the table. So we have one record named Ken. So now let's go into the Java and add and update rows to this table and see how it works in Cassandra. So as you can see in the left side, these are the reference libraries that are already imported that were given to us, and the code is taken from DataStax. So this line of code, this is the insert part. This inserts a new row. Let's execute this code and see what is the change now. When I click run, so I have run a new record. Now when I see what is the data, so you can see there are two records, one is Jones and one is Ken. Now let's try updating the record Jones. For that, let's comment out the insert statement and then try running the update statement. So the insert statement is commented. We have to update this record now. So let's run this now. I run this. So as you can see, that age has been updated. Since it's John's birthday, the age has been increased by 1. Now let's try deleting the record. So comment out the update statement. The insert statement is already commented, and now run the delete statement. Now let's run the code. So the delete statement should work now. Okay, let's run. Now let's see. As you can see, the row is deleted. This is a demonstration of a single node case. Now we are trying to do this in a multiple node case. This is the code for the multiple node case. The process is same. We are going to insert a row, update it, and delete it. The difference is we have multiple nodes so that we can account for any failure, and we are also including a load balancing policy so that the load is equally balanced between multiple nodes. The code for load balancing is here, and the multiple nodes and instances are created here. The necessary libraries are imported. Now let's check once what all the records are available. So we have only one row. Now let's insert a new row. Now let's run this code. We'll see what is the change. Yeah, Jones has been inserted. Let's comment out the insert statement. Let's run the update statement now. Now as you can see, the Jones age has been increased by 1 to 36. Now let's delete this record. So uncomment the delete section and run the same code. Yeah, the record has been deleted. So we have added a record, updated a record, and deleted a record in the Cassandra database. The only difference between the two processes being in one process it's a single node case, the other process it's a multiple node case. We have created two nodes and have used load balancing and have accounted for the failure.